You're watching how to remove phone number from Gmail. This is managed in your Google account settings. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in with the Google account associated with your Gmail. In the left-hand menu or on the main page, click on Personal Info. Under the Contact Info section, find and click on Phone. You will see the phone number is linked to your account. Click on the phone number you want to remove. A new window or side panel will open. Click the trash can icon or the text that says remove or delete number. Google will ask you to confirm this action. Click remove or yes to confirm. The phone number is now disassociated from your Google account. If you have two-factor authentication to FA set up using this number, you will be prompted to set up an alternative method like an authenticator app or backup codes before you can remove it. Ensure you have another 2FA method ready. Also, check other Google services like Recovery Phone for your account. Removing it may affect account recovery. After removal, your phone number will no longer be used for account recovery, personalization, or ads. It's a good practice to review your recovery options afterward in the security section of your Google account to ensure you have an up-to-date recovery email. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.